You gonna come visit? You're welcome to come sit here if you like. Hi. What's your name? You wanna come sit over here? You wanna come sit over here? You wanna come on the couch? You're welcome to come on the couch. I'd love a friend. Yeah. You can come over. If you feel comfortable, you're welcome. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Hello. Meow, meow. Hello. You're intrigued, aren't you? You're so cute. Oh my gosh, I can feel you. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, I want to get a bird. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Hello, you're coming closer. You're coming closer, friend. Hi. Do you have any other friends that are close by? Hey, do you have any friends close by? Oh my gosh, your friend came. Hi. What's your name? Hello. Your friend's come over. Did you see your mate over there? He's coming over. Hi. Oh, two little cuties. I feel like I'm home here. Oh, you are so cute. Hello. Hello. You're welcome. Welcome, welcome. Hello, friend. Are you guys like a couple? Oh, what's going on with your relationship here? Oh, you're so cute. You wanna come on my arm? You wanna come on my arm? You're welcome to. I'd love a friend. Hi. You gonna come closer? Are you feeling safe and comfortable there? Yeah? You wanna come? You're welcome to come closer. Oh, look at you two, so cute. Can I take a photo of you two? Oh, thanks for visiting. Thanks for visiting. You guys have made my day.